In this free code microbit project, we create a jukebox music machine using input from buttons A and B and the inbuilt movement sensor, the accelerometer, to play different tunes. A jukebox is a cool music machine that lets you pick and play your favorite tunes. In this project, we will program buttons A and B to play different tunes. We can choose from a list of pre-made tunes, or we can make our own by clicking on the piano. We can then program a new tune to play when you shake the microbit. If you have a microbit version 2 with a built-in speaker, you'll hear the sounds straight away. But you can also attach headphones to any microbit using crocodile clip leads. Connect a lead to microbit pin 0 and then to the tip of your headphone plug, and then connect the GND to the longer part of the headphone plug. When you make sound with the microbit, the pin 0 becomes an output. Let's open FreeCode Microbit and explore the code we need to program our jukebox music machine.